ColourPan Update 5 is a pretty exciting one, but before we jump into it, I'm just going to give you a quick recap of how it's going so far. I have 3 goals with this project. Level 1 is to use everything 10 times, Level 2 is to use everything 25 times, and then a far off goal, but weirder things have happened, Level 3 is to use everything 50 times. I currently have 16 out of 20 products that have hit that Level 1 goal, which means I only have 4 products left until all of them have reached that. As for Level 2, I only have 1 product that has reached that stage so far, and I have 0 products that have reached Level 3. Let's see if we can update any of those numbers today. I have 3 different types of ColourPop products, and the first one is my Volumizing Mascara, and I just recently learned that it's actually called the BFF Volumizing Mascara. ColourPop says the BFF will never let you down. It instantly lifts lashes while volumizing and lengthening with a super pigmented formula for dramatic lashes. The first one I have is Roar, and this is a vibrant lime green. I used it 1 time this month, bringing total uses to 15. Swell Season is a vivid teal, and this one I actually used the same. It was 1 time this past month for a total of the same, 15. Funny how that worked out. Blue Ya Mind is my favorite. This is a cobalt blue, and I used this one 4 times this past month, bringing total uses to 21. So close to Level 2 with this product. Purple Prose, which is a lavender mascara, is unfortunately one of the 4 that has yet to hit that Level 1 goal. However, this past month I did get 7 more uses on it, 7 exciting uses, because I have officially hit a total of 13, meaning this has officially leveled up and we are now gunning for Level 2 with this product. Pink Ink is a magenta color, and I used this one more time this past month, bringing total uses to 17. I am actually wearing this one today on my top lashes over a coat of the Essence Lash Princess. Wine O'Clock is a deep burgundy colored mascara, and I reached for this one 2 times this past month, bringing its total uses to 16. And Left On Red, which is a true red, which was another product that has yet to hit that Level 1 goal. I did manage to get 4 more uses on it this past month, and it is now at lucky number 13, which means it is also leveled up and is officially now gunning for Level 2. On to my Lippie Pencils. ColourPop says the Lippie Pencils glide on smooth for bold, high pigment precision, define, overline, or wear solo for a feather-free lip that lasts. The first shade I have is Ashton, and this is a deep taupe. It is the only one out of my Lippie Pencils that has yet to hit that Level 1 goal. This past month though, I did get 3 more uses on it, and it is now at a total of 12, meaning it is officially leveled up and we are now going for Level 2 with it. This is the 3rd product this update to hit that mark, which means I only have 1 product left that hasn't hit that 10 use goal. Beeper is a muted rose, and this one seems to be the MVP each month. I reached for it another 4 times, bringing total uses now to 16. And the last shade I have is Cool BFF. It's kind of like a mix of Ashton and Beeper, because this is described as a rosy taupe. I got 1 more use on this product, bringing its total uses to 11. On to Creme Gel Liners. ColourPop says, creamy, long-wearing formula that glides on smoothly with rich pigment, effortless on the waterline, and elevated everywhere else. The first shade is Joyride, and this one is a deep burgundy matte. I got 5 more uses on it this past month, bringing total uses to 17. Charmer is a deep plum matte, and this one I got 4 more uses on, and it is also now at a total of 17. The next one is super exciting, and that is the shade Plum Smash. This is a warm violet metallic. This had previously hit its Level 1 goal, but after adding 7 more uses to it this past month, for a total of 25, it is officially the 2nd product to hit Level 2 status. Honey Dude is a warm nude matte, and this one I reached for 1 time this past month, bringing total uses to 13. Peach Fuzz is a pastel peach matte, and I reached for this one 3 more times this past month, bringing total uses to 20. Another one that's getting very close to Level 2. Toucan Do It is a marigold metallic, and I was able to add 2 more uses to it this past month, bringing its total to 18. Aglow is a golden lime metallic, and thank you to a challenge I had with PANtasticLadies back in March, this was my first product to hit that Level 2 status. This past month I did add one more use to it, and it is now at a total of 26. Icebreaker is a pastel mint matte, and I was able to add one more use to it this past month, bringing its total uses to 13. Crystal Crush is a vivid turquoise metallic, and I was able to add 4 more uses to it this past month, and it is now at 17 total uses. Which brings us to our last color, which means this is the only one that has yet to hit that level 1 goal, and that is the shade Exit, which is a bright white matte. I focused on this one this past month, and I can happily say I got 8 more uses on it, bringing it to a total of 15, which means it has officially hit that level 1 goal. However, that also means I have officially hit level 1 status on every single one of my products. Now we're going for level 2. I did set some goals back in June to try and get some more uses on some products, and as you can probably guess, it went fairly well. I initially wanted 4 more uses on Purple Pros, and I got 7. I wanted 1 more use on Left on Red, and I got 4. Ashton, I wanted 1 use, and I got 3. And the MVP this month, I wanted 1 more use on Exit, and I got 8. So that is 4 out of 4 goals completed for June. July's goals come with another challenge from Pantastic Beauty. We decided to do a red, white, and blue in order to celebrate Canada Day and Independence Day for the month of July. So we are focusing on our red, white, and blue eyeliners, and I have 3. So the first one is going to be Joyride, which is that more deep burgundy matte. I also have Crystal Crush, which was that vivid turquoise metallic. And then the MVP this month was Exit, which is that bright white matte. I don't have number goals in mind, I just want to use these 3 as much as I can, because she beat me last time and I can't let her win again. So at the start of the video, I told you I had 16 out of 20 products that were at that level 1 goal. I can now officially say 20 out of 20 products are at that level 1 goal. And now we are working on level 2. I had 1 out of 20 at the start of this video, and I now have 2 out of 20. So hopefully that number just keeps going up. But that is my update for ColourPan this month. I think it went fairly well. Thank you for checking out my video and encouraging me to keep going and using my stuff up. And until the next one I see you in, I hope the day treats you well. Bye.